Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. I'm George, you're watching Facing Perfect, and this weekend I'm taking you to the Silverstone MotoGP. So come with us, I think it's the 75th anniversary. We're going to have to play Guess the Bike because they've all got special liveries and none of them look like their normal bikes, so it's going to be crazy. Hopefully a lot of fun. The weather's supposed to be iffy, we've just come out of a heat wave, so it's going to be a bit of a shock if it's cold. I don't think it's supposed to be, but we will see, so let's go. Well, we're at services and we have our mandatory Gregs. Yeah, breakfast of champions for MotoGP weekends, obviously. We are here! Can you hear them? I think it's one of the lower classes, but we're in all parked and the sun is shining. So it is barely 9:30 in the morning and I've already traded my jeans for shorts. Hopefully that's a good sign, but we will see.
The championship convention is full of relay by Sergio.
So far we've seen the Moto3, Moto2 and currently MotoGP is on, so very loud and we're trying to find somewhere to sit and watch. We're heading into our first stand of the day. We just watched MotoGP and Marcus crashed right in front of us actually, so sad times. But it's pretty much lunchtime. There's a big break till some new ones, but sitting down.
Couple of changes.
We've just visited the Marquez merch stand and for Dad's birthday, I think, we got him a Marquez hat, so we've just cashed that in. They have a cider, it's very hot. And we're just on a little lunch break between sessions, so Moto3 will be up soon, then Moto2 and MotoGP again. Good morning everybody and welcome to day 2 of MotoGP. This morning we are at McDonald's for breakfast. We're here at the track again. This is day 2 and today we have to go and sit in our stands in our little seats. It's probably good because it is slightly grayer and more windy and I definitely am keeping my jeans on today. But hopefully it'll be another good one. It's qualifying, there's a sprint race, all sorts.
So we didn't quite get to the bit, did we? We might have to play that again. Happy.
Even if the conditions weren't optimal, however, he's getting the teams on the boards nevertheless. So yeah, interesting.
We have finished watching MotoGP qualifying. as always, it's epic, but also a little bit frustrating because they all try and follow each other to get a tow, and it just screws them all up. So there's that, but it is chillier than yesterday. I put like 4 layers on earlier, but now we're out of the stands. It is sunny and I've had to take some pictures. But anyway, we're heading back to the stand. We're in club, that's what we've got tickets for. So you can see lots of the corners and the start-finish straight, so it's really, really cool. And the podium is right there as well, so when they all go up, we'll be able to see them. My sunglasses are so wonky. Yeah, we're going to go back, have some lunch, got some falafel wraps that my mum has made, and continue watching. We've got the Moto 2 qualifying and the Moto 3 qualifying days still to come before we have the sprint race later on, so that should be, yeah, a lot of action still to go.
There's your way.
Here at the British Grand Prix at Silverstone. It never is in Abbey Corner. So Martin leading us down into Bell with Bastianini. Nosebleed territory for him this early in our race. His second innings.
We're just finishing up day 2. We were leaving the track. It is sunny and it is warm and it was a fabulous day. We're gonna head back, go find some dinner somewhere, not sure where yet. We went to a lovely little pub yesterday. But yeah, we'll find some dinner and then get ready for a full day of racing tomorrow. Knife and fork. Okay. Good morning everybody. It is race day. It is Sunday we are in. We have once again had McDonald's for breakfast. It was delicious. And yeah, it is race day. It is a little bit overcast again, but it's not too bad. But here's hoping we have some good racing today. Yesterday our man Marquez actually did crash. He was running 4th and with like 2 laps to go, he crashed. That was a bit disappointing, but fingers crossed he can hold it together. And yeah, we're just looking for some good racing today. So far this weekend they haven't worn or used their special 75th British Grand Prix liveries. So today we are going to have to guess the bike and try and figure out who they are really quickly, because the last 2 days have been their normal ones, so it's been really easy to spot who they are. So fingers crossed we can actually do it, because a lot of them look very similar.
That's Mackay as well up there, or Mackay up there into 3rd, so he's starting to make his move. Then Brown in 4th position, and he just slips straight into 3rd.
Today, fortunately it's not raining, but unfortunately we have cold.
Experience there. Did you manage to land any?
We are having such an awesome time. It is race day and I love it. I can't believe it's already been 3 days, but we are here and we are sat in club again. And yeah, so far we've seen warm up and we've just watched the Parade of Champions, which were all the MotoGP riders go on the back of trailer and go around the track, which was really, really cool. Yeah, the liveries make it so hard to see who is who. We've just about worked out, because we only had the 10 minutes of practice. Could have done with them wearing them all weekend, but we've just about worked out what team is who, but who is who. It's going to be tricky, but it should be fun, and they look really cool. I just don't know if they are. So there's that, and the marshals have been doing dancing and flag waving and being really cool too, so we're having a great time. I will show you later, but for lunch we have frankfurters, so we're having hot dogs. It was the trick that my mum learnt last year, and we did basically fill a thermos full of hot water, put them in there, it keeps them when it sort of cooks them. So I'll show you what that looks like, but that's what we're having for lunch today.
Just try to like stay behind and let's see what the other people are doing.
It's so big.
Just with the overtaking and the slipstream.
Yesterday was 12, of course, to pass the lead. He can't afford to make it closer every single race weekend. Yeah, he's 55 behind Bagnaia in the championship. How about you?
Third place, Pecco Bagnaia from the Racing. Second place, Jorge Martin from Private Racing. And today's winner, Emilio Bastianini from Ducati.
Okay, that was an awesome race, and Marquez came fourth and he didn't fall off, which was really exciting. And yeah, I mean, there wasn't very many overtaking, but it was still a lot of fun. So MotoGP race, check, and now we have a Moto2 race still to come.
To start this race, Aaron Garrett's a danger from second on the grid. Sergio Barrera really is the wildcat, the rookie, and Jake Dixon in the middle of the second.
Second place, Aaron Canning from Fancy Racing. And already today's winner, Jake Dixon. Viegas being presented to Jake Dixon.